Internal PC communication failing because of the Hotplug Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Follow me for a safe, engineered fix. To start the walkthrough for Hotplug Library, you can use my manual guide or the suggested resource for system optimization. This is the Hotplug Library, the safely remove hardware library. It manages the unmanaged UI orchestration and background logic for disconnecting hot-swappable USB and SATA devices. It facilitates the safe-to-remove notification manifests. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening Command Prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scan now. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as Hotplug Library DLL. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Hotplug library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of Hotplug Library DLL, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If you're addressing Hotplug library inconsistencies, the official utility below provides maintenance-related documentation. If your workstation is back online and Hotplug library is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.